Many people wonder if the water flosser really does as good of a job as the Waterpik company says it does. For years, they've said that it works just as well as flossing. And with many people not liking floss and not being their favorite thing to do in life, they're looking for alternatives, something that might be easier or maybe a little more enjoyable. For the longest time, the Waterpik company had the only research on the Waterpik, and they said it worked, but when a company provides their own research, you've got to take it with a grain of salt and know that they're biased as they study that information and they want a positive result. But a few years ago, there was a group of universities, 3 of them, who did independent studies not paid by the Waterpik company. And they all found that it did a great job with plaque removal. So we've had to start recommending it to our patients because it really does work. What I find when I use the water flosser is that I have a tendency, as the Waterpik goes around my teeth, I have a tendency just to walk it along my teeth, and I forget to stop in between my teeth for a couple seconds because it really is a water flosser. You want to get what's in between your teeth. So I think that's an important point to remember. If you want to test how good of a job you're doing with the water flosser compared to flossing, what I'd suggest is using the water flosser first and then floss afterwards and see if you get any gunk out of there. And that can really give you a true test to see how you're doing. But we see some very, very healthy gums with a water flosser, and it's a really great product. I do recommend it.